to YouTube. Yeah, what's up, everybody? What is up, everybody? I'm gonna wait till some people get in. I'm gonna mute it. I'm gonna mute this shit. Yeah, I'm gonna mute this shit. I'm gonna wait till y'all get in. Yo, what's up, fellas? Can you hear us? We can't hear you, Gibra. We can't hear you. Cut the mic on. If not, you can mail that. You can mail the computer to me and that phone. And I'm just fucking around. We can't hear you, brother. What's up, Kevin B, Bobby Corona, Carlos Williams? What's going on? We gonna talk about subject matter jurisdiction. Hold on, I added you on here, dude. Let me see. What's going on? Hold on. Wait a minute. We can't hear you, bro. Hold on a second, fam. We finna start, fellas. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I was telling everybody to tell you that the Go and put that stuff in the box, a FedEx box or something, just mail. I can't hear you. We hold on. We having technical difficulties, delays for a second, fellas. Just bear with us. Bear with us. We heard a pop. Nope. We heard a pop though. All right. Yeah, fellas. We having technical difficulties right now. And yeah, the link is in there. Just going out to all the child support gurus. We not the gurus. We run this shit. We they daddies. And they are bastards. Okay. Well, I still think he's so cocky and tough. Man, I got a cock and yeah, I am tough, nigga. Tougher than leather, nigga. Yeah, we waiting for you to click on, my brother. Bear with us a few more seconds, fellas. A few more seconds. We gonna jump in. We gonna jump in. You know. You know YouTube don't like us, man. You know that, dude. You know these hoes and these dick in the booty ass niggas. You know what I mean? They don't want this. They don't want this real. They don't want this real church over here, nigga. But let me play y'all something before Gibber get in that bitch. Hold on. Let me play y'all something. Don't be this guy, fellas. I'm finna play y'all something. Don't sound like this. All right.
Hello? 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 You can be heard. I'm at the game. What's going on?
Okay, let me add him on. Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah.
Cool.
What's up, people? He in here. Now check this out. I was playing this and I'm telling people don't be this guy. All right. Let me play this before we start. Y'all remember this. Don't be this guy I'm finna play, all right?
Hello? 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 Hold on.
We got that's the
Hello?
recording.
You can be heard. I'm at the game. What's going on? I can be heard. What are you talking about? I was calling the check. I was calling the police was at the house today. I was concerned. What's going on? The kids all right? Everything all right? You go see. Huh? Go over there and see. Go over there and see. What are you talking about? Hello? Is the kids okay? Everything good? Can you hear me?
When a bitch say go over and see, don't you take your ass over and see. That's all I'm gonna say.
Hey man, hey, this is all these guru niggas. These guru niggas, they still talking to their baby mamas, nigga. All these guru niggas, they still in contact with the bitch. You know what I mean? And they will not. These niggas, I don't know what it is, but these niggas will not say nothing about their bitch. These bitches got them on lock. They can't say shit. But they'll go run to my baby mama because you know I can talk shit from the sun up something down because ain't nobody gonna make me do nothing. I kill your motherfucking ass. You know what I mean? But check this out. That's neither here nor there. But don't be that guy on the video. All right. But check this out. We're gonna talk about subject matter jurisdiction. We got a young man that came for some help, right? And somebody on YouTube, one of these guru ass niggas, gave him some shit and talking about he dismissing on subject matter jurisdiction and personal jurisdiction. And I'm finna show y'all what the fucking difference it is. Probably on one page I'm finna pull up, okay? And then I'm gonna let my man elaborate on this shit, right? Because it makes no sense. I mean, all the stuff that they present in the paperwork is here, no, there. You got to research that shit too. But when you don't talk about the bitch, how did you get on? Because I'm gonna let G he explain it a little bit better. But let me read. He gonna explain it. He gonna explain it because I get the cussing and go on, and niggas can't. They don't want to hear that because a lot of niggas got virgin ears and shit. Hold on. Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, you muted. Hold on.
Yeah, I muted because you was talking.
Okay, hold on. Let me read this for these guys. Subject matter jurisdiction. Defending. See, subject matter jurisdiction. Say you getting sued for child support, right? You ready for this? That's the fucking subject of the suit. Is child support. So you cannot use motion to dismiss for subject matter jurisdiction. Get that out y'all fucking heads. And when you do that, when you use that, you waive all other fucking defenses, nigga. You know what I mean? You can't use that. That's the subject. Then now you just put the court on notice that you don't know what you fucking here for. You don't know what's going on. And they gonna know that your ass have gotten paperwork from somebody else. Okay? So let's read. It's important to distinguish between personal jurisdiction and subject matter jurisdiction. Personal jurisdiction is a geographic question, and it addresses whether the plaintiff may sue a defendant in a particular state or states. As we studied in Chapter 2, a defendant may be sued in a state which she has a sufficient contacts to satisfy the statutory and constitutional test for personal jurisdiction. This assessment of subject matter jurisdiction has nothing to do with geography. Instead, it concerns what the court in a state having personal jurisdiction will hear the case. And then, too, personal jurisdiction is that if you got property there, you live there, and they can say you got reside there, you got a house, you ain't home. Somebody there answer the door and they serve your ass. Guess what? They can serve your kinfolks and they give it to you. That's personal. That's called contacts. All right. Real talk. Now, go on, G. Go on, tear him up, man.
I'm gonna try to stay calm when I say this, and I'm gonna try not to call no names. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna try not to call no names because it's the same people who've been around for years setting people up. I don't know if they're agents. I don't know. I don't know if they're just disgruntled and they don't like seeing other men win. I don't know. So you go in there, like you said, you go in there claiming subject matter jurisdiction. The subject, like you said, is child support. Basically, if somebody's trying to get you to go in there and challenge the court, it's not the court that's making an action against you. It's the bitch that's making an action against you. Okay? The only time the court itself on its face comes after you is if the bitch is on some kind of welfare or something like that and they want you to reimburse the state, but they still need the chick to do it. Okay? It still needs a chick. So basically, this is what I hate. You got these dudes on here on the internet who's been doing this for years, setting people up, giving them boilerplate templates that has nothing to do with their case. Every child support family court case is different. And most people can't make the argument of subject matter jurisdiction because they've already been in the marital or parental system. So when you sign that acknowledgement of paternity, you have to. If you did that, you can't claim subject matter jurisdiction. You can't claim to be not the person, because if you're not the person, I guarantee you're gonna suffer the effects of being the person. So you can say, I'm not this person, I'm a living man, all you want, but once they attach a link to that social, you're gonna become that person whether you like it or not. And what you gonna say? Why y'all taking my money? Why y'all hit me with a default judgment? I'm not that person. Oh, they gonna be like, all right, bye. We're just attaching it to this person's social, so you shouldn't even be here. See how stupid that sounds? And the subject matter is the child. Personal jurisdiction. The state has personal jurisdiction when you are, one, traveling through the state. It's called transit jurisdiction. Two, domicile jurisdiction. If you live or you domicile at an address, I don't care how you write it. If you live somewhere and someone knock on your door and you answer, you stay there. That's personal jurisdiction. If you work in the state, that's personal jurisdiction. If you do business, say you stay in like California, but you have a business in another state, if that person sues that business in that state, or although you're in California, that state has jurisdiction over that company, which you must answer if you're the owner. See, people don't know what they're talking about. And like I said, if you try to do the jurisdiction challenge and you lose, per court rules, you don't have no other defense. You must now proceed with the case. And what I hate is you got these people telling them that you are under threatened duress and coercion to be there. You have a constitutional right to be there and defend yourself. If you're not there knowing what the claims are brought against you, then the person who is there stands as true. Their affidavits, testimony, everything stands true against you. And if you don't defend yourself per the Constitution says, then don't complain about what happens to you. These people online is not helping you. If they're not sitting down with you and trying to analyze your case and really understand your story and where you're coming from, they're not trying to help you. If they charge you $200, $300, they're just selling you paperwork that has nothing to do with nothing. If they're giving you case law back from when George Washington was riding a fucking horse, they're not helping you. Let me tell you how case law works. Things change. I don't care if you have a Black Laws dictionary. What it says in that dictionary is different than how the courts interpret it. People use Black Laws fourth and fifth. Am I correct, Wasil? They use that the most?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the thing. A lot of those cases are old. And if you don't know which ones are no longer valid, they've been ratified, changed, or repealed or whatever, you can't use it. You're going to set yourself up. And you got to read the case law. If the case law, I'll give you a good one. Minnesota. Minnesota, people say Minnesota said child support is unconstitutional. If you can't read, or you go to a dumb motherfucker who can't read and can't interpret case law, he's going to give you that. What the judge is going to do, he's going to pull up that case law, and guess what he's going to find out? A certain procedure they used in child support is unconstitutional. It doesn't make child support unconstitutional. Dumbasses, learn to read. If you can't read, find somebody who can read for you. And that's even dangerous because anybody can like deceive you. Reading and learn how to read case law is two different things. You can read, but can you comprehend? So to anybody, all them gurus, and all them child support men out there selling you this pipe dream, you need to question them. And you need to do your own research to see if they valid. Don't take what they say as face value. If you go to somebody for child support help, question them, fact check them, research. If you don't, then you the dumbass and you can't complain. And Marcel, I'm gonna be honest. Don't you bring your funky ass over here with that paperwork they gave you and you submitted it. We can't fix stupid. Can't fix stupid. I have not been on here in some years because I've been busy in the background. So if I'm on here today, that means y'all are really being stupid out there. I know y'all smarter than this. I know each and every person listening to this is smarter than what they think they are. I'm tired of seeing this boilerplate paperwork, and only I don't care. I don't care. The only reason why I'm tired and why Seal is tired is because y'all bring y'all butt over here where y'all should have came to us first. If you get a piece of mail and you don't, here's the thing. If you don't answer the mail, they can hit you with a default. But if they can't find you and they send you a piece of mail and you open it, or say you don't send it back or whatever, that it has to be returned to sender. You just can't send it back. It has to be returned to sender for like the wrong address. But they will pull work records, social security records, and everything to find where you live. But what I'm saying is, when you do service process on someone, those certified mails, priority mails, have a tracking number on it. And once that tracking number reaches the address of where you're living, then that is called service of process. It's satisfied. So
Yeah.
what I'm saying, in child support, you can't afford not to defend yourself, because your social, if you ever had one, and if you ever got any assets in your name, they will come after that. You have to defend yourself. And it's all the bitch. Child support don't come after you. They can't come after you unless there's an actionable claim against you. Abuse, neglect, etc. You get what I'm saying? And if you don't rebut that and defend yourself against that, it stands as true. These other guys on here is not telling you that. Just because they can articulate well, and some of the shit they show you, they make pretty PowerPoints and all that shit, they are manipulating you. Hey guys, it's me. You know, nothing more, nothing less. Hey guys, I have a course. Join my course. They are manipulating you. They're trying to sell you something that doesn't work. You come over here, we got bare bones. We ain't got flashy PowerPoints. We ain't got our faces showing just to build your trust for no reason. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we're not very articulate. I may be slightly more articulate because my profession dictates me to do that. But I will motherfuck you and your mama just like Wasil will.
Well, I am articulate now. Hold up now.
But no, what I'm saying is the line of work I do allows me to be versatile. You know what I'm saying? It's like I'm not pretending, if that makes sense.
Oh yeah.
These other people are pretending. Hey guys, it's me. Buy my t-shirt, buy my hat, join my course. You know what I'm saying? I am the God. Bitch, you ain't no God. Look, all I'm saying is people are selling you a facade. They're actors. You know what I'm saying? The number one selling thing in America is Hollywood and movies and entertainment. They are entertainers. If they give you paperwork, research that and ask yourself, does this rebut the bitch's claim? Not the court. All that paperwork is challenging the court. It ain't challenging what the bitch say. I don't know why they're afraid to go after the bitch. Why I say I don't know. I don't know. Why are they afraid?
Because they still in love with that. All these niggas, all these gurus. We not gurus, fellas. But all these other niggas, I don't know these niggas. But these niggas, they still talk to the bitch. They will never talk about the bitch, and that's why they losing. Cause they, and if you see some of them, if you see somebody putting up a win, I guarantee you they made a deal with the bitch.
Yeah, they made a deal. They made a deal. Like you got some people on here talking about they got cases from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is not going to answer that. Just because it got filed don't mean the Supreme Court is going to answer it. But you got people on here manipulating people talking about, hey guys, the case has been filed with the Supreme Court. That don't mean nothing. The only time that means something is the Supreme Court decides to pick up the case and hear oral argument. But I guarantee you they're not, because the Supreme Court is a different kind of beast. When you do a certiorari, it's not like your lower courts. You can't add new information, and your briefs even got to be formatted a certain way. Okay? And these people make money. So if you go on there as a pauper or appropriate, or what's it called? What is it called when they try to do a free filing? It's a pauper, but it's like what's it called? Where they say I ain't got no money and pauper parish, which means you're a pauper, you're a hobo, which means a penniless wanderer. These people make money, and if you're trying to bring a case that brings them money, and you're trying to cut that money off from the state, they're not gonna listen to your free ass. They're like, seriously, they're like, this dude wants to stop child support that we get millions of dollars in bonuses for, but he can't pay for this case. No, you gonna interfere with our money, you're gonna pay money.
Exactly. Like they, and then let me hit it with this. They think they're gonna let a nigga gonna come and end their money because they in their feelings, and
Right.
because they done fucked up on some shit, right? Like, dude, they took your $1,500, or if they did it for free, or whatever, however they did it. You know what I'm talking about? No, fam, no. Donald Trump is going to court. They got more important things to do to worry about some dick and pussy issues. Okay, they're not worried about no nasty bacteria, dick and pussy issues in the Supreme Court, fellas. Don't even waste your fucking time. Okay. So, you know what I mean? It's crazy, bro. I want to go to the Supreme Court. Nigga, for what?
For what?
Why? They already got Supreme Court cases for that shit. They already said they don't intervene with this shit. That's a state issue. Didn't they say that, my brother?
Yep.
And then the same fool telling you it's a state issue, his dumb ass gonna go there. Make that shit make sense.
Here's the thing they need to focus on. It is the bitch against you, not the child support court. The child support court is there to see who they can get money from based off the claims made against you.
Thank you. That's it. That's it. That's it. And neglect and abuse. Those are the prerequisites. You know what I mean?
Yep.
That's it, man.
They're busy challenging the court and not the bitch. So guess what that happens? Whatever she put on testimony stands as true because they're not rebutting what the bitch say. It is war, fellas. She is your arch enemy. She is you're the defendant against the petitioner. She's trying to sue you. It's not the child support court, it's the bitch trying to sue you. Understand that she's not your friend. As long as you keep contact with her, women would gather information on you for years and then go to court on you at the last minute when your child's turning 18 and say, oh, he owe me back child support. They've been setting you up from day one. If you and your baby mama don't get along, if she got other dudes on child support, don't talk to let me calm down. Don't talk to no woman who has another man on child support, because I guarantee you, if she gets pregnant, she's going to come after you. If she can't get pregnant, she's going to steal from you. She's going to find a way to steal from you because she's stealing from another man. She's showing she's irresponsible financially to handle her own affairs or her portion of it. Men, we don't need nothing from no women. We raise children better. You get what I'm saying? We have the strength and the mind to survive. If we had children, if we were single fathers, we don't go after no bitch because we know how to survive. We have skill trades. We're not emotional. Go ahead, brother.
So if y'all know anybody who got any of that dismissed for subject matter jurisdiction, make sure you hit us up, man. You know what I mean? Hit us up. You know what time it is. Ain't nothing free on this planet. You know what I mean? So, and that's gonna be your punishment for not doing your due diligence, not going to see the record, not rebutting this bitch's affidavit. Okay.
There is only one way to dismiss a case on subject matter jurisdiction. Only one.
We got it. Yeah. Nobody else got it.
Only one, and most men don't fall into this category, but there's still only one.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, fellas, your baby mama don't love you, nigga. Y'all share and subscribe, like this shit. Y'all baby mamas don't. If she loved you, the third party wouldn't be fucking with you. She going. This is how she do. You love her, but she using your love that you got for her, and she just laughing and plotting and shit and talking shit. That's what the bitch doing. Cut that hoe off, and shit, cut them children off too. If it's like that, That's just me. If you want to stay in church with your children, fine. But me, I'm a different breed. You're not finna fucking play with me. You or the children. You got me fucked up. All the motherfucking courts or sheriffs or anybody. I'm dead serious. You're not finna play with me and tell me I owe you some money and I know I didn't borrow no money from y'all. So you got life and bullshit fucked up. So I can say these things because I know the law. And I went to school for the law. So I know, okay? But yeah, like the brother was saying, y'all going after the wrong people. You go after the bitch. And that's the last time of 2024 we gonna say this. And if you don't want to go after her, fine. Stay your ass on child support. Figure this shit out while you keep getting blowback. Figure this shit out. You know what I mean? Go to these niggas who still dealing with their baby mama and then marry a bitch with 2 children. Yeah. Real talk.
You better do a credit check on that baby mama. What was her previous relationships like? What did she do to the other men? Does she receive child support? Is she on welfare? If all these answers are yes, stay the fuck away from her. Stay away from her.
Shit, because there's more bitches on this planet than is you. You can get another bitch.
Yeah, and don't talk to no women who have daughters, because what I'm seeing is, and I see this in real life, the daughters will make a claim against you like you touched them or something like that, and now you're in jail. Stay away from these women with daughters. Stay away from women with children as a whole. If you see them struggling, they did dirty things to their baby daddy, if they're on welfare, if they're on child support, stay away from them because they're in survival mode for themselves and they're just using you. It is too risky.
And fellas, it's going to be like Factory Freedom was saying, it's going to be some hoes from this year, next year. You're going to see a lot of homeless women. I'm seeing them now because they've been fucking around. But yeah, man, we're gonna get off on here, bro. I got.
Let me say this real quick. What these people, look, anybody listening to this, I guarantee you that them other dudes, they call us and try to get information. They'll change their name or they get their buddy to call us and try to get information out of us. They think we don't know. But we ain't like that. We ain't that easy.
That's the thing. That's the bitch in them.
Yeah, like, you'll get somebody like Yaya or whatever. Hey, call them, see what you can get, what kind of information you can get. No, we know what's going on because y'all scary and it don't even sound real. And
I pay some information to do a testimony on this nigga and got it in the text and make a video online saying it wasn't true. Come on, bro, you gotta do all that. You ain't a man. I'm taller than my bitch. I'm a man. I'm not the same height as my bitch. Okay? I say right. Bitch in the house. This is my motherfucking house. Real talk. Shit. And I noticed something about them niggas. They can't say bitch where they at because the bitch gonna get rid of them.
Right. How do you censor yourself because you're scared of a woman?
Yeah. Censoring themselves. Nigga, please. Nigga.
They suck their balls up into their abdomen and get all scary.
I'm waiting for a bitch ass nigga to make a video. I'm waiting for a nigga to say something. Boy, I got some heat, nigga. I don't give a fuck. And if they don't know that by now, you can't defeat me. I'm gonna keep pouring that fire on your motherfucking ass, nigga. I'm the lion around this bitch. I'm a Leo around this bitch. My zodiac sign's a fucking lion. So I don't know why niggas got shit up talking about they lions on their shit. They lying. They not a lion. They liars.
They lying.
Shit, nigga. The fuck? They not gonna slap a bitch. They not gonna go inside a bitch head. They not gonna check the law. They not gonna do none of that. They just gonna get on here and say, man, you gotta be calm. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Child support is a victimless crime.
Yep.
That's all I'm gonna tell you. And if you don't, I'm confrontational and I'm very belligerent when I know I didn't fuck with you and ain't do shit to you. Right? That's me. If I ain't borrowed no money, I don't owe you, I don't know you, then you gonna come out the blue as a stranger and tell me I gotta do something against my own free will? Nigga, fuck you. Who is you, nigga?
Right. How many people we got on this video? How many watching?
Shit, we had 14, 15. I'm glad I'm here. We here to hurt feelings, nigga. Fuck niggas. Niggas, we gotta deal with feelings over here. Fuck feelings.
Does anybody, I answer one question. Does anybody have a question? See, we interactive with this shit. You know, we ain't just to give you this paperwork and bow. Anybody got a question? I answer one question and one question only. This is your opportunity.
Yeah,
anybody ask a question? And you could fact check me on anything because I don't play. Who got a question?
Nigga want to get personal. Shit, we can get personal. We can hit below the belt. Hey, we can do all that. I bet you I win though.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, I'm over here. No question from anybody?
Shit. Nigga be taking niggas emotional like a little bitch. It's 17 people over here now, not 16. Said the question is up. He said the question. Hold on. Let me what's the question? What's going on, Cyrus Black? What's the question? The question is up. Hold on, let me see.
Let's see. How do I start getting off this how do I start getting off this? It's ruining my relationship with my son. That's a broad question, man. That's very broad. It depends on what your situation is. I mean, I can answer that 1,000 different ways. It depends on what your situation is. And trust me, we probably don't have time for you to break it all down. Hold on. How do we charge them with battery with intent? Battery? Look up the word battery. You talking about charging the baby mama with battery? Habeas can help. What? Oh, can a habeas help? A habeas is if you already in file a police report on the baby mother for theft. No, you can't. You can if she stole your shit out of your house or something, but in court, no. She's making a request to get your money based off the claim she put against you. So the auntie is suing. What's that?
He really saying identity theft. That's what I'm guessing.
Well, okay. So identity theft is if the bitch takes your identity and sign up for credit cards, do contracts in your name and stuff.
Yeah.
When she fills out that application, that's just her filling out an affidavit on who caused her injury and how to find you.
Well, that's still identity theft. Well, yeah. I say identity theft when she put that social security number down, because if you didn't give it to her freely, yeah, nigga, because it's a United States code that says nobody can use that social security number.
Right. So here's the thing. It becomes identity theft when she puts that social security into something and something is initiated with like you suffered a financial harm through it. Because you can change your social, but it's very, very narrow on what you can change it on. Now, the thing is, they can't come after you just because she put a social in your name down. Because a social, that's why it's called social, because it's a social construct into the public arena. And honestly, on the back of that card, it says it belongs to the Social Security Administration. The thing is, like I said, if she use it and actually get damages, like damage your credit history and stuff like that, but you still got to do due process. The agency can't come after you unless she keeps doing shit to you and you don't rebut it.
Facts. And I'm gonna tell y'all something too. I'm about to go. I'm gonna do another podcast probably tonight or tomorrow. I got some 911 calls I want y'all to hear from a bounty hunter, nigga. I'm finna show you, nigga, how to stand on motherfucking business. A bounty hunter called the police on me, nigga. Me. You hear me? A bounty hunter called the police on me, saying I was shooting at him in broad fucking daylight. I'm gonna play this shit too.
I remember that. I remember that.
I got the audio there. I got the 911 call, nigga. I can request anything from a police station. And don't fucking play with me. Okay? So I'm gonna put it up today. I'm gonna put it up today or tomorrow. I'm gonna let y'all hear that shit. Y'all gonna laugh y'all ass off on how pussy these niggas is. And then was talking to another. He was associated with a pussy ass guru on here that tried to put my business down. Now I'm gonna make them feel like bitches. They some scary ass hoes. Hoe ass niggas on YouTube, dude. Real talk. I live the way I talk. Okay? There's a big difference. So you got anything else to say, my brother?
No, I'm good, man. I think we said enough. And, you know, it's to be continued.
It's 20 people. Now I'm gonna play y'all audio of somebody not to be, okay? Don't be this guy. Hold on, G. Mute your thing. I'm gonna play this video.
Hello? 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 Hello?
You can be heard. I'm at the game. What's going on?
I can be heard. What are you talking about? I was calling to check. I was calling the police was at the house today. I was concerned. What's going on? The kids all right? Everything all right?
You go see.
Huh?
Go over there and see.
Go over there and see. What are you talking about? Hello? Is the kids okay? Everything good? Can you hear me?
Hey, man. Don't be that dude, fellas. Don't be him. She said, go in there and see. He gonna say, is the kids all right? Is everything all right? Man, come on, fellas. Come on. Man, y'all have a...
That's funny. That's funny. Go over and see. Okay. Anything you say. I love you, baby mama. Anything you say. I know you won't do me no wrong.
Nigga.
You the mother of my children. I know you can't do me wrong. We gonna get back together. I know we will. I'm done.
Bro, I'm finna like you. Hey, fellas, look. I'm finna like YouTube up. We finna like this motherfucker up, nigga. I'm all pussy niggas. I'm finna like all these niggas up, man. These niggas is weak as baby cat shit. Okay? I am not playing, man. Niggas be lying too much. But look, let me hit y'all. You got anything to say, bro? We finna go off. But you ready for that?
I'm gone.
I put everything on Sham Stoppers. I'm coming with that recording next. And it's gonna be titled. All right? Yeah, because I gotta do some rebuking. I gotta rebuke these pussy ass energy around here. All right, fellas. Y'all have a good day. Peace.